This is the BK Mueller 888-573HC new style stem assembly for the new style BK Mueller faucets with that tan handle. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. And a couple important things to notice about this stem is down here on this end you will have these two metal washers. You've got the two metal washers and then that rubber packing. Now the first washer will be just a regular flat steel washer, and then followed by that rubber packing, and then you'll have the cup shaped washer to see right on top of that gasket. And then coming down to this end, see right here you've got that rubber kind of umbrella shaped washer there. You've got that screw. And if you look in the bottom side of the stem, you can see it does have those holes through it all the way around that bottom side. Then coming down to this end, you do have those two O-rings. We can go ahead and get a couple measurements of the faucet here, or the stem, not the faucet. And then we can go ahead and start with a total length. Total length, this one's going to measure right at about 13 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter here at the end of the stem as well. And that's going to measure right at about just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And we can also get a couple measurements of that rubber gasket there at the end of the stem, starting with an outer diameter. That one's going to measure right at 3/4 of an inch, with a width or thickness of right at about 1/4 of an inch. Yes, once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-573HC new style stem assembly.